In this video, we will learn how to reverse video on TikTok. So let's begin.
So the process is same for Android as well as iOS devices. So you don't need to worry if you're on Android. First, make sure that you are connected with the internet, and once connected with the internet, simply go and open your TikTok app to make your video. So simply go and open your TikTok app. Here we go. So simply go and click on this plus icon in the middle bottom. So simply go and tap on this. Either if you want to make video on this sound, you can always go and tap on this person icon. So here just go and tap on this plus icon in the middle. So here once you are here, simply go and make your video as you want it, add your sound or whatever you want to. So once you have made your video, you can add the filters or you can set the speed or the timer as you want it. Simply go to your next. Here is where we would be reversing the video. So here what you need to do is simply go and tap on effects. So you can see effects here. In the effects at the bottom right, you can see time. So at the right, you can see time. Simply go and tap on time. In time, you can see an effect of reverse. Tap on reverse. And now you can see the effect has been put on the video. Tap on save at the right top corner. So the effect is there. So the video has been reversed. Now you can do other things like filters and stickers and text or whatever. Simply go and tap on next. And here add your description, set your privacy settings and all other things, and you can simply go and post the video. So hope it has helped you in reversing a video on TikTok on Android as well as iOS devices. But before you go, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.